recovery position. First step, kneel at the side. Okay, what is the second step, ma'am? Okay, right angle, the nearest hand, closest hand. Okay, then the third step, the opposite hand. Okay, the back of your hand should be on the cheek. And then, appear tayo. Okay, while holding the, while supporting the head. Okay, the other hand, bend and lift and bend the knee, hold the knee, and then pull the knee towards to you. Okay, akyat ma'am, akyat ka ma'am. Akyat ka ma'am, para ma-90 degree mo yan. Okay, 90 degree angle yung kanyang paa. Hold the head. Okay, remove your hand under the head of the person. Place on the forehead and then tilt the head. Okay, baba mo ma'am. Okay, tas alis ka ma'am, alis ka. Alis ka. Okay, nakaganyan siya habang hinihintay natin yung stretcher. Alis ka talaga ma'am. Oo. Yan ha, cargo, tanker. Okay. Sige, tapos na tayo. So, sige na, sabutan nyo na.